Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's break down how President Trump's recent tariffs on Indian goods could affect India's economy, its people and even world politics. We'll keep it simple and cover everything you need to know. So what just happened? President Trump has announced a big change. Starting August 7, 2025, every Indian product coming into the United States will face a 25% tax or tariff. There's talk of extra penalties too, mainly because India keeps trading with Russia, especially buying oil and military supplies. Why did the US do this? According to Trump, there are two main reasons. First, the US buys much more from India than India buys from the US. So there is a big trade gap, and Trump says it's unfair. In 2024 alone, the US India trade deficit reached $45.7 billion. Trump's administration accused India of unfair trade practices and high tariffs on US goods. Therefore, Trump seeks parity, matching US tariffs with those faced by American companies in India, where average Indian tariffs, especially on agriculture, are much higher than those imposed by the US. And then there is India-Russia trade. The US cited India's continuing purchases of Russian oil and weapons in the face of Western sanctions. Now let's talk about impact on India's economy. The tariffs could trim up to 40 basis points, that means 0.4% approximately decline of India's GDP growth depending on the severity of penalties. US is India's largest export market. In 2024, India exported $87.4 billion worth of goods to the US. Therefore, exports may decline. Total exports is $90 billion per year. According to Bloomberg Economics, the 25 to 26% tariffs could cut US bound Indian exports by up to 30%. Sectors at highest risk could include jewelry, textiles, seafood, apparel, and some consumer electronics, all labor intensive areas with large workforces. If we talk about specific sector effects, jewelry, approximately $10 billion of export, thousands of jobs can be threatened. It could lead to higher costs and shipping delays. In terms of seafood, shrimp and prawn exports to US will be hit. They could lose market share to competitors. Textiles and apparel, US buyers may source from other low tariff nations. Electronics, some mobiles and pharmaceutical currently are exempt, but sector sentiment is hit. And agriculture, if reciprocal tariffs expand here, we could lose agri surplus and see more imports from US. So jobs and prices both will be hit. Job loss in export heavy sectors, possible wage cutoffs, layoffs, companies may raise prices or slow production. In currency and financial market, immediate aftermath saw a fall in the Indian rupee and drops in market indices. India's share in global exports increased to 2.5% in 2024, but these gains risk reversal with supply chain disruptions. Let's talk about long-term concerns. Tariffs undermine India's aspirations as an alternative manufacturing hub to China, making Vietnam and Indonesia more attractive to US buyers. Aggressive US actions could push India closer to China and Russia, disrupting Washington's strategic objectives in the Indo-Pacific. This tariff war exacerbates global inflation. Higher US tariffs on multiple partners could lift costs for American consumers and companies as well. Can the US and India fix this? Talks have stalled over US demands that India open its agriculture and dairy markets, which India is reluctant to do because farming employs over 40% of its workforce and is a powerful voting bloc. India refuses to lower tariffs on staples or allow genetically modified imports, a major sticking point. The penalties for Russian energy imports are still not fully clear and could be as high as 100% on selected goods. Both sides still express willingness to negotiate an interim deal by October 2025. Indian officials say tariffs are WTO compliant and are defending national interest, focused on protecting farmers, MSMEs, and small entrepreneurs. Think tanks stress that India has avoided a one-sided deal by standing firm, but warn that prolonged tariffs could dent long-term growth. Some experts believe tariffs will backfire on the US, raising American consumer costs and risking loss of geopolitical influence over India. So what to watch for? In short term, drop in Indian exports to US, job losses in labor intensive sectors, adverse currency market reactions. Medium term, risks to India's status as manufacturing or export hub. There will be pressure to shift supply chains and potential geopolitical realignment. And in the long term, outcomes depend on US India negotiations, US handling of Russian penalty rates, and possible retaliatory tariffs from India. In short, Trump's 25% tariff and possible penalties are a serious blow to key Indian exports and could dent economic growth and manufacturing ambitions, while also triggering political, supply chain, and geopolitical ripple effects that may reshape US India relations for years. What do you think about these tariffs? Let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.